Tatlong araw na raw na stranded sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia ang ilang pasahero ng Philippine Airlines dahil po sa nasirang eroplano. At kaugnay po niyan, makakausap natin si Michelle Villanuna, tagapagsalita ng PAL. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo, ma'am. Si Connie Season po ito.
Magandang tanghali sa iyo, Connie, at lahat ng tagapakinig ng Balitang Hali.
Makikihingi lang po kami ng update dun po sa mga na-stranded na pasahero. Unang-una, alamin natin syempre yung ano ho ba'y nasira dun sa eroplano at ilan po ba yung mga pasaherong stranded so far?
Alright, just to clarify, no, ang stranded po sila mula kahapon April 6, no, dumapag ang nagkaroon po ng kaunting technical issue, no, yung aming PR 655. It was originally slated, Connie, to depart from Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia at 6:50 p.m. local time with arrival in Manila today sana, no, ng 10:05 a.m. Nagkaroon po ng technical issue at yung spare part ay ng aeroplanong PR-654 at pagdating po dyan ay aayos yung aeroplano at it will be good and ready for release tomorrow at ang target date ng departure out of Riyadh, Connie, ay 4 a.m. local time, April 8 tomorrow Saturday, with arrival in Manila 6:30 p.m. Manila time. So yung tanong mo, Connie, yung number of passengers, 388 passengers. It is an Airbus A330, 440 seater.
Okay. Ulitin lang ho natin na hindi ho tatlong araw. Kahapon lang ito.
Kahapon yung original pull out from Riyadh, no?
I see.
8:06, no?
Pero ilang araw na po sila doon? Tatlong araw?
So this is the second day, no?
Okay.
So tomorrow will be the third day. So by tomorrow, third day na ito. So kung matutuloy ang pull out bukas, no? That will be 4 a.m. Tomorrow, Riyadh time, arrival in Manila at 10 a.m. Gusto ko lamang klaruhin, Connie, no? Ang ginawa po ng Philippine Airlines, pagbaba ng 388 passengers, unfortunately, only 200 plus, close to 280 passengers were allowed to exit, of course, the terminal building because of their visas. But a little over 100 were not allowed because they were only holders of exit visa or exit passes. Kaya patuloy na panayaman aming PAL-Riyadh station manager sa Riyadh Immigration Authority para payagan silang lumabas ng airport. And nakikita ko po sa screen, no, yung shots ninyo. We are exerting our level best because we have no control over this. This is a visa exit requirement by immigration. So that is the situation.
Okay.
But the rest of the passengers are at the nearby hotel and everybody has already been informed that they will be accommodated in tomorrow's flight leaving at 4 a.m.
Okay, so as we speak, meron hong mga 100 plus pa na magtatatlong araw na po na nasa loob lamang ng airport. Ano, ma'am?
That's
doon
right.
po nag-aantay, oo.
You know, we have been monitoring and communicating with our station manager, no? Mr. Khalid Al-Gambi, no? And Mr. Al-Gambi is also coordinating the airport authority. So as much as we do not like inconvenience to the 100, the rest are in the respective hotels except for the 100 that we are seeing now. We are still continuing our efforts and appealing to the immigration authorities in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, particularly at International Airport, to allow them to step out and join the rest. In fact, there are 4 tourist buses already waiting outside. And once that go signal is given, they will be bussed to the hotel. At least they can get a good night's rest in preparation for tomorrow's departure.
Oh, we understand, ma'am, na talagang mahirap yan on your part dahil ito pinag-uusapan yung visa status nila. Pero yung mga 100 plus po na yun, papaano ho natin na inaasikaso ng gusto in terms of their food? Siyempre, madali na yung mga nakalabas di ba? Nasa hotel na sila at napapakain sila. Lahat po yan, sagot ninyo, siyempre.
Yes, sagot po namin. That is part of our passenger recovery guidelines, no? And we are in constant communication with our Riyadh PAL team to ensure na kinakausap po sila. So, may mga lumalabas na balita na hindi sila pinapansin. Wala pong katotohanan yan. Yung number of staff namin is a bit outnumbered by more than 100 passengers. So, kung hindi man makausap ka agad, humingi po kami ng paumanhin. Pero, ang balaki po talaga namin ay papayagan sila lumabas ng airport premises para they can also get as much needed rest in preparation for tomorrow's return flight.
Alright, marami pong salamat sa inyo pong ibinigay sa aming pagkakataon na makausap at mabigyan po kami ng update ukol pa rin po sa mga na-stranded na pasahero ng PAL.
Okay,
Thank you.
maraming salamat sa pagkakataon, Connie. Maraming salamat po.
Yan po naman si Michelle Villaluna, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Airlines.